there's my finished paint job around that thermostat cover now. Doesn't that look nice? This fits in there nice. I got that all cleaned off. And see, I can see a little bit of yellow paint in through here, and that's where I would have seen that other existing paint coming through, and I wouldn't have been able to have this all nicely finished. This looks clean. This looks like it's a brand new wall, and the air conditioning company came in here and installed this thermostat over that. That's how I want your projects to look. See, go the extra mile. Yeah, it took a little while to do all that through there and prime it and paint it, and put the sheetrock mud on there and sand it and all that kind of stuff. You know, but it looks nice, and you did it yourself, and it looks like a pro. You know, before I put that on there, I went ahead and caulked the side of this trim too, and then I painted that. I had to get my paintbrush in there, and I got that all nicely painted, and it looks pretty good along there. Looks like I wasn't even there. That's how you want your projects. You know, when you get done with your project, and if it looks like you've never been there, and it looks like it would have had you have moved into a brand new house or a remodeled house or whatever, then you've done your job right. That's what I'm trying to teach you. Well, I'm ready to go, so I better turn this system off, have it ready for the next person. I've got the cover plate on here, and I went ahead and wiped this all down and cleaned it all off. Yeah, I didn't really have to do that because that really wasn't my job, but because I've done everything else, I thought I might as well do that, because if somebody sees that, they might think I wasn't paying attention. You know? There it is, ready for the next customer.